Hey everyone, I'm Alex from Vizard, and today I'm walking you through a game-changing workflow for turning long-form content into polished, shareable clips. If you've spent hours manually chopping up podcast footage, captioning every single word, and tracking your social media schedule, this process is going to save you so much time. What makes this new update special is that we've consolidated everything you need into one single, cohesive workflow, so you can stop bouncing between 5 different apps. You can now upload a full-length video, let our AI handle the transcription and clip selection, edit your text for perfection, and schedule everything to publish automatically. First things first, head over to the platform login page and sign in or create an account with just a couple of quick clicks to get started. Once you are inside the dashboard, look for that bright button in the top right corner that acts as the entry point for your entire content pipeline. Select the option to upload a full-length video, essentially giving the AI a massive podcast or long interview to analyze and break down for you. Now, decide on your aspect ratio based on where you are posting, whether that is vertical for TikTok and Reels or landscape for YouTube. The system will handle the framing for you automatically, so you don't need to waste time cropping every single frame manually. Go ahead and import your video file from your local drive, Google Drive, or simply paste a direct link to start the upload process. While the file uploads and processes, just make sure you select the correct transcription language so the AI understands every word perfectly. Choose the full video option to ensure you get a comprehensive transcription, and definitely toggle on the transcript-based editor to unlock the real magic. While the AI works in the background to find high engagement moments, you can start customizing your brand elements like watermarks and intro screens. Before long, the AI will serve you up a list of perfectly timestamped clips, giving you a massive head start on your editing process. The best part is that you can edit the transcript just like a standard document, fixing typos or even changing capitalization with ease. You can also refine these moments by dragging the timeline to adjust clip lengths, ensuring your hooks are perfectly timed for maximum retention. Styling your captions is equally effortless, allowing you to add bold fonts or drop shadows so your text stands out over any background. You can even bake in interactive elements like a progress bar or a subscribe animation to keep your audience engaged from start to finish. When your content is polished, use the auto schedule feature to set your posting frequency across all your different social media platforms. The content calendar acts like a mission control center, letting you drag and drop your posts to keep your strategy organized and consistent. Once you have set everything up, just click Create Project and the system will handle the heavy lifting of rendering and processing your final videos. You don't need to babysit the upload process because the system will automatically notify you via email the moment your clips are ready to go. Keep in mind that while the basic plan has its limits, our growth and pro plans are designed to help you scale your content production significantly. If you look at the landscape of tools, many offer simple captioning, but they lack this depth of AI-driven clip selection combined with automatic publishing. That is exactly why this specific workflow is so effective for creators who want to spend more time recording and less time doing manual labor. Once you have mastered the flow of uploading, editing the transcript, and scheduling, you can reliably turn one long session into dozens of viral clips. If you hit any snags or have questions about which caption styles work best for your audience, just shoot us an email at our support address. We honestly read every single piece of feedback you send us, and it directly influences how we build out the next version of this platform. That is the whole process, so go ahead and get your content uploaded today and start scaling your presence without the usual headache. Thanks so much for watching, and I cannot wait to see what you create with these new tools, so happy clipping and happy posting.